Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture. In this module, we will discuss what is classification and what are the advantages of classification. Before discussing classification, I would like to discuss what is matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. For example, air, it occupies space and has mass, is known as matter. It exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. You can see the material or the objects around us, they are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. Here you can see drinks in the bottle is of red, orange, yellow, and of green color. Here the containers are of different shapes and sizes. Objects, they are of different luster. Some are shiny, some are dull. Objects, they are of different states. Some are solids, some are liquids, and some exist in gaseous states. Classifying the things on the basis of their properties such as color, shape, size, luster, state, solubility, density, etc. is known as classification or grouping. Now, what is the need of grouping? It makes our work easy and systematic. For example, when we go to a grocery shop, objects of similar properties are kept in the same chamber, like all soaps, shampoos, cleaning agents are kept together, and pulses, they are kept in separate chamber. Oils, they are kept in separate chambers. If the shopkeeper keep all the materials together, then he won't be able to find the things when the customer will approach. In this way, the grouping or the classification makes the work easy and systematic. It saves the time and energy also, and it helps us to study the properties of similar objects and to understand the exceptions better. Matter is classified into mixture and pure substances. Matter in turn is made up of very tiny particles. They are known as atoms. An atom is the smallest particle which may or may not exist independently. Atoms generally combine together and form molecules. For example, oxygen, it is a molecule. It is made by joining two oxygen atoms. Water molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Now, let's discuss what is a pure substance. A pure substance is the one which is made up of only one kind of particles. For example, platinum. Platinum is made up of only platinum atoms. Pure substances are of two types: element and compound. Element, it is a substance which cannot split up into two or more simpler substances, means it cannot be further broken down. It is made up of only one kind of particles. For example, iron. Element is made up of only iron atoms. Elements, they are further classified into three types: metals, non-metals, and metalloid. Now, compound. It is a substance which is made up of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. For example, water. It is formed by joining two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Whatever may be the source, water may be taken from well, river, pond, etc. It always contains 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen. Thank you and have a nice day.